Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a overview of the relationship of a menu option and the different controls in the menu system. So here I have a menu called Configuration Settings for a CMS system. I have a column heading for a menu and menu items. It's pretty much the makeup of menus, menu name, title, headings, and then the options or the items themselves. We're going to focus on the option EFC. So this option will execute a command, this CMWRMEF, no params, or one param, no value passed in. It's probably a return code that I don't need. And this command is defined in what's known as the execution link. The execution link basically has the command string, a driver, an application code, an execution type, subtype, and the name of the execution here, CMS, CMWRMEF, with a kind of like a sequence number or serial number. So you can have this same program defined, many times depending on how you want to invoke it. But in this instance, there's only one instance of this, but it's just 100. This setting gets used, or all execution links will get used by branch links. So here we can see this branch link on this menu item. This branch link is using this execution link. If we hit F9, we'll get a full view of the branch link. But here again, we have the branch link and the definitions under a branch link and the execution link. But branch links can have other properties: static variable link, job link, text link, and then the execution link. And then if it's linked to a menu, the definition of menus are basically group codes type and then branch link level. But there's no other attributes other than the branch link and the execution link here. Branch links are basically used to associate themselves to many things, and in this case it's the menu itself, the menu item itself. So under this menu item number 1 or sequence 1, we have the environment flow control option EFC. If we display this, we'll see it basically just has the sequence number, the text link that you want to show, and then the menu item. The text link isn't really what you're going to see. You're not going to see this string. This is just referring to another reference point which has definitions behind it, to basically show the value behind this text link. So menu items are again under headings. All menu items are under headings. So if you look at that, we have the environment text, and there's pretty much it. There's really nothing in a heading other than the text that you want to show and the sequence number. And all headings are basically under a menu. So again, this is the menu that we're showing, and all the headings underneath of it. And then this menu has all of those headings. So in this menu, CMS configuration, CMS configuration, branch link level 1. We have a menu driver. This is we'll talk about this execution menu driver. It's really the linchpin to a lot of things, and the text that this menu is gonna hold. So I did make a screen that kind of combined all of that into one view, which is here, so you can see your environment, your EFC option, the environment flow control. And if I take option 5, again, I'll see it all on one screen, where we have our menu, the menu name, the column heading, the option that we're talking about. That option basically has a branch link and an execution link. This branch link will point to this execution link. This execution link will use these properties, these values, to execute this program. So if I go back and I take option EFC, it traverses all of those different settings. It calls the one program CMWR MEF. And that is how a menu item will get invoked in MenuSys. It's a little lengthy, but you'll see the value behind splitting everything up into its different properties, different attributes, and I'll talk about that later in another video. Thanks. Bye.